Welcome to the Smart Fit. Today we're making a Spanish classic, flan. Pronounced flan in the USA. If you say you don't like flan, you're lying. It's a nostalgic texture with subtle sweetness and caramelization. It's a great option for a gathering and it's super easy. It's so easy, a Lasna came up with the recipe and has made it plenty of times without burning it. That means it is really easy. From the homemade caramel to the custard-like flan itself, everything is homemade. Let's make this. Let's start with the caramel. To a small pot on medium heat, add 5 tablespoons or 75 grams of sugar, followed by 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters of filtered water. And that's it. Now let the heat do the work and caramelize the sugar. It'll start to boil first and then slowly turn yellow, followed by a darker golden color. Keep an eye on it because it goes quickly. At this point, it's starting to smoke, and so we'll pull it off and immediately pour it into the flan dish or some ramekins. While I nearly burned the table, we want to say thank you for watching. Carefully swirl the caramel along the edges of the dish, getting as close to the edges as possible. Go ahead and preheat the oven to 185°C or 365°F. With the top and bottom burners on, but no fan. Place a 9 by 13 inch or 23 centimeter by 33 centimeter dish filled with about 66% water. And while that's preheating, eggs on the cutting board, eggshells in the bowl. Keep your stations clean, kids, okay? So what was I saying? 4 large eggs go into a bowl. I don't know how I cracked a whole egg onto the counter, but I did. Start mixing the 4 eggs while streaming in 100 grams of sugar. For my Yankees back home, that's 2/3 cups of sugar. Mix well so the sugar begins to dissolve and the eggs are homogeneous. While you continuously whisk, pour in 500 milliliters or 2 cups of whole milk. Want to keep it low calorie? Just put skim milk. Mix well enough to create bubbles, which will then add pockets on the exterior of the flan for the caramel to nestle itself. The caramel has hardened as it cooled, and you simply pour the milk, egg, and sugar mixture in. Y literalmente es todo. Literally, that's all. Now cover it with the lid it came with, or even better, just aluminum foil. That way there's enough room for the steam to escape. Alright, the oven is ready to receive the flan. Set the timer for 70 minutes or 1 hour and 10 minutes, same thing. Comfortably lay the flan in the warm bath and go relax. The time has elapsed and we take this baby out of the warm bath before it gets wrinkly. Carefully remove the foil and insert a knife in the center to check for doneness. It should come out clean and this one is ready. Let it cool at room temperature before placing it in the refrigerator overnight to set. It's the following day and I've been dreaming of this flan since yesterday. Run a knife around the edges to ensure it doesn't stick, as so many Spanish recipes call for the famous flip. Be quick and slowly lift the dish to reveal perfectly caramelized and saucy flan. Woo! It's juicy and wet. Didn't I say this recipe was easy? 4 ingredients: eggs, sugar, water, and milk. Cut a slice and check out how well it holds up to itself. You see those little micro bubbles? And how well the caramel nestles inside of them? Fantastic. Obviously, this is good on its own, but she wanted whipped cream, so why not? Time to give it a taste, and man, is this good. So good, I was enjoying my first bite when she finished the rest of the slice. You could and probably should share this with others, or you could just eat it between 2 people. It's dangerously delicious and easy to do. But you don't do food, you make food. Yeah, make food, easy to make. If you like this recipe, please like, subscribe, and hit the little bell so you know when we post a new video. We've got some exciting things coming soon. We'll see you soon. Dream it, learn it, do it. Ole.